Meet Dolores, a sweet soul with a sweeter tooth and a proud owner of a small town bakery that used to be the place for cookies that can melt your worries away. But lately, the ovens were still warm, the cookies were still gooey, but the customers, they were, well, ghosting. Literally. Some of her regulars had passed on. Dolores tried to adapt. She heard whispers from well-meaning folks, get online, post on the socials, run Facebook ads. So she gave it a shot. She even made a TikTok, accidentally filmed upside down. But SEO, lead nurturing, drip campaigns, Dolores thought drip was about chocolate chips. Her bakery was stuck in the past. Until enter her teenage grandson. Armed with AI tools and an alarming amount of energy drinks, he introduced her to the future. AI analyzed her recipes. It suggested wild viral flavors like lavender, chipotle, snickerdoodles. It spun up a full website in minutes. It wrote blog posts, responded to customer messages, and even generated promo images of her cookies on the moon. Then came the automations, digital cashiers, AI-powered recipe testers, and agents. She started calling her robot employees. She gave them aprons and everything. Before she knew it, Dolores wasn't just baking cookies. She was running a full-blown AI empire. And business took off like a flour-dusted rocket ship. Because when you bake in a little AI, even grandma's cookies can go global. Next thing you know, Dolores is trading flour for first class. She's jet-setting across the globe, baking cookies for billionaires on mega yachts. Yes, mega yachts with DJs, drone light shows, and champagne towers taller than her oven back home. On the deck, music's thumping, people are dancing, and there's Dolores, flipping sea salt caramel snickerdoodles like it's a Vegas residency. One hand on the mixer, one foot in a Gucci sandal, our girl leveled up, because with AI in her apron pocket, even a humble bakery can ride the waves of global success. And that's just one story from the oven. Want more AI-powered glow-ups like this? Subscribe to Baked In, AI Made Easy by Jory Pai, where everyday magic gets baked fresh.